Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can set up your Claude Desktop so that you can connect it to Power BI Desktop through a MCP server. This connection will help us in analyzing our data set without rewriting the measures. So let's start the video. To begin with, I will request you to install these three applications: VS Code, Claude Desktop, and Power BI Desktop. I will provide the installation link in the description, and installation is a simple regular process. Once these applications are installed, the first application we will be using is VS Code, where we will be installing MCP or Model Context Protocol for Power BI. So in this step, what we are actually trying to do is to connect Claude to Power BI, but at present there is no way Claude can directly connect to Power BI. So we are using VS Code where Power BI's connector is available, which will connect Claude with Power BI. Now I will go over to extension right here and click on it and search for Power BI and click on this one. You can see that I have already installed this Power BI connector. If the connector is not installed, you will find an install button here. You can just click on this and you can install it. Now our Power BI MCP is installed in VS Code. Our next job is to give it a proper path so that it connects Power BI Desktop and Cloud. So for that, we have to go to Windows Explorer, click on C drive, users, the username, click on VS Code. Here all the extensions of VS Code are there. The Power BI MCP which we just installed is in this folder. We will click on this, go to this server folder, and this is where is our Power BI MCP. We'll click on this. We will copy this code. This is the code which we will paste in the Claude so that Claude can connect to Power BI. Next, I have to open the Claude Desktop. After closing the PowerShell window, which I just opened to copy the code, then I have to click here, go to settings, click on developer. Since I have already made connections with Power BI, everything is ready here. For you, what you have to do is click on this edit config button, click on this JSON file, and paste the code here, which we earlier copied. Please restart your laptop or PC so that the system takes care of the changes. After restarting, once again go to settings of Claude and check whether the connection is properly established or not. Now I have two windows open here. In Power BI, I have my AdventureWorks raw data, and on the other side I have Claude. Now I am going to start prompting Claude and see how it helps me in analyzing data set in Power BI. So now I have given a prompt here which says that connect to the open Power BI file and do analysis of data set like a data analyst. I will click on the button here and just see how it analyzes it. So after a couple of minutes, Claude has analyzed my raw data set and it has given me the results. So let me just check one result whether the total revenue which it has given is correct or not. So what I will do is I will go to Power BI, take one card. Okay, and I will just put the sales amount here. Okay, so 29.4 million, and here also it has given the 29.4 million. So that means the analysis which is done is correct. Now I will give one more prompt to Claude and see whether it is fulfill my requirement or not. So here is the prompt where I am saying it to create key measures in Power BI itself in a separate table, and which I will be using to build my dashboard. So Claude took around 5 minutes and created all the measures which it thought are important for the analysis of this data set. So let's just check it. So it has created 40 measures in 7 folders in the sales table. So these are the measures which it has created. We'll check these measures in the sales table also. So here are the measures it has created. We'll open the revenue folder and all the measures are created. I hope you have understood how we can connect Claude to Power BI and improve our productivity. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create more videos like this. Share this video with someone who might find it useful. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.